If you're on the carnivore diet, you might wonder, how can I make my meals quick and delicious without compromising my dietary principles? The air fryer might be your answer. This modern kitchen gadget uses hot air to cook food, reducing the need for added oils and shortening cooking times. But what are the best air fryer recipes for a meat-based diet? In this article, we'll explore 3 top recipes you can easily make in an air fryer, showcasing the versatility of this appliance while sticking to carnivore-friendly ingredients. Let's start with a classic favorite, air-fried steak. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Steak is a staple in the carnivore diet, providing high-quality protein, essential fats, and a rich flavor profile. Cooking steak in an air fryer is a simple process, and it offers the added benefit of reducing excess oils and shortening cooking times. Here's how to achieve a perfectly cooked steak in your air fryer. Ingredients: 1 high-quality steak, ribeye, sirloin, or your favorite cut, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the air fryer. Begin by setting your air fryer to 400 degrees F, 200 degrees C. This temperature will create a nice sear on the outside while keeping the inside tender. 2. Season the steak. Lightly season both sides of your steak with salt and pepper. If you prefer other seasonings, feel free to add them, but keep it carnivore friendly. 3. Air fry the steak. Place the steak in the air fryer basket, ensuring it's not crowded. This allows the hot air to circulate evenly. Cook for about 8-12 minutes, depending on the thickness of the steak and your desired level of doneness. Flip the steak halfway through for even cooking. 4. Rest the steak. Once cooked, remove the steak and let it rest for a few minutes. This step is crucial to keep the juices intact. Serving suggestions. For a classic carnivore touch, you can serve the steak with a simple compound butter or a light sprinkle of salt. With your steak perfectly air-fried, let's move on to another carnivore favorite, air-fried pork belly. This section will guide you through the process of making crispy, flavorful pork belly in your air fryer. Pork belly is a rich source of fat and protein, making it a popular choice among those on the carnivore diet. Using an air fryer to cook pork belly results in crispy golden brown pieces with a tender interior. Let's dive into the process. Ingredients: 1 pound of pork belly strips or pieces, salt to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the air fryer. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C. This temperature is ideal for achieving a crispy exterior while keeping the inside moist and succulent. 2. Season the pork belly. Lightly coat the pork belly with salt. You can add additional seasonings if desired, but keep it simple to stay within carnivore diet guidelines. 3. Air fry the pork belly. Place the pork belly in the air fryer basket, ensuring they are laid out in a single layer. Cook for 20-30 minutes depending on the desired level of crispiness. Flip the pieces halfway through for even cooking. 4. Rest and serve. Once done, let the pork belly rest briefly to allow the juices to redistribute. Serve warm, either on its own or with a simple meat-based dipping sauce if desired. With your air-fried pork belly ready to go, let's move on to the final recipe, air-fried chicken wings. A classic favorite with a crispy twist. Chicken wings are a carnivore diet favorite, offering a combination of crispy skin and tender meat. Air frying gives you the best of both worlds, a satisfying crunch without the need for excessive oil. Let's explore how to make air-fried chicken wings that are simple, delicious, and carnivore-friendly. Ingredients: 1 pound of chicken wings, flats and drumettes, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the air fryer. Start by setting your air fryer to 380 degrees F, 193 degrees C. This temperature helps create a crispy skin without overcooking the meat. 2. Season the chicken wings. Lightly sprinkle salt and pepper over the chicken wings. You can add other seasonings like garlic powder or paprika, but keep it within the carnivore diet's guidelines. 3. Air fry the chicken wings. Place the wings in the air fryer basket in a single layer. This ensures even cooking and maximum crispiness. Cook for 25-30 minutes, flipping the wings halfway through for uniform crispiness and browning. 4. Check for doneness. After the cooking time, ensure the wings are fully cooked. The skin should be crispy, and the internal temperature should reach at least 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C. If needed, add a few extra minutes for desired crispiness. 5. Serve and enjoy. Once cooked, remove the wings from the air fryer and let them rest briefly. Serve with extra salt if desired, or a simple meat-based dipping sauce. With your air-fried chicken wings ready to be enjoyed, you now have 3 fantastic carnivore diet recipes to add to your meal rotation. These air fryer recipes, steak, pork belly and chicken wings, showcase the simplicity and versatility of cooking on the carnivore diet. With reduced cooking times and less oil, the air fryer provides a quick and convenient way to prepare satisfying, high-protein meals. Whether you're new to the carnivore diet or a seasoned pro, these recipes are sure to become favorites. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried these recipes, or do you have other carnivore air fryer favorites? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. If you enjoyed this article, don't forget to share it with fellow carnivores and subscribe for more recipes and tips.